It's awesome. Can't see nothing with this.
Look at that coming down together.
Yeah.
Coming down together.
Yeah.
Coming down together.
Look at it go down the gutter, you guys. Go down the gutter. I'm in the gutter. Oh, yeah. A phenomenon.
It's raining now. That's coming off.
It's too dark out here to film anything.
And the water washed it off the roof right then.
I've never in my life seen nothing like that. Usually I can go to the emergency room and look. You see what I said? I reckon he's one of those. You reckon he can look out? I don't know. Probably not.
It's raining real hard outside here.
I'm going to call them and tell them to look out in the yard. If they hadn't already looked. Dude, call over there to the house and tell them to see if they looked out. Amazing.
Some of them was almost as big as a golf ball.
I can't imagine what a golf ball sounds like. Do you?
Nah, it's raining now. You gotta tell them about it.
I can't imagine what a golf ball hill sounds like. Tell Mom to freeze it. Go freeze it, Steve. They put one in the freezer.
I want to film it. So I can see how big it is.
No, use somebody's little hand.
Yeah.
Come here, Steven.
Yeah, no, I filmed that.
Did you film it?
Yeah.
Oh, is it covered?
I wish I had it when it was coming down there.
Hey, look at the patio out there.
Yeah, them cows were getting hit out there. I know our car had to have gotten dents on it. Yeah, gone. Woo! It did. This golf balls right here. These are golf ball size right here. Look at that. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, you found one that big? He got them bigger now.
Bev, look.
Oh, me. Let me hold him up, Steven. Hold him up, baby.
God. Pretty big hailstorm. Beth, look at this pile. Today's March 23rd, and we just had a big hailstorm. It was a pretty big pile. It must have just come off the roof. Man, I wish I filmed it when it was happening.
I'm taking pictures of this because you're in some insurance money, honey.
Look at these, Beth. Why take pictures? I got it on the camcorder. Pretty big.
They want to check their crops right now.
What?
They want to check their crops.
Who is?
Elwood is them. They just the hospital.
Better check their cows. You can hear the cows mooing.